Hello, do you think you know the difference between term life and whole life insurance? Well, by the end of this video, I'll give you the necessary information that you will need in order to make an informed decision before you sign on the dotted line. My name is John Moakler, and I'm the founder of Moakler Wealth Management. And for the best insurance advice, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when we launch a new video. Now, life insurance is one of those necessary things that we need to put in place because life happens. We never know when life is going to throw us a curveball, and we're not able to escape death. So think about this for a second. It's better to have life insurance in place and not need it than not have it and actually need it. Think about that. So with term life insurance, you're usually purchasing it for a period of time, so say 10 to 30 years. And during that time period, if you or your spouse were to pass away, then the beneficiary will receive a tax-free payout based upon the death benefit. Now, term life is much more cost-effective than whole life. For a term 20 policy, you might be paying, say, $7 per month in a premium, whereas with whole life, it might be $95 per month. Now, the thing is, with a term policy in Canada, they must give you pricing up until age 80. So what I mean by that is, here's an example. Let's assume we have a female, age 33, who takes out a term 20 policy. And so at age 53, she now has some choices. Now, if she still wants the coverage, but she's uninsurable, then she can roll it over and continue paying the premiums, but the premiums would have gone up 3 or 4-fold. If she's insurable, then she should apply for a new policy, get it in place, and then cancel the old policy. Or the third option is to actually roll it over into a permanent life insurance policy, and there's no medical requirements needed. However, term life has no cash value associated with it. And that's the big difference, because it's only based on the death benefit that is paid out. Leave a comment in the section below and let me know what kind of life insurance you currently have in place or what you're shopping for. And be sure and check out my next video titled Whole Life and How to Tap In to the Cash Value to see if you can take advantage of that. It's in the description link below. Now, a lot of people say to me, why should I get life insurance? It only benefits my beneficiaries. It doesn't help me. Wrong. Let me introduce you to whole life. So the way we design whole life, we want you to live so that you can tap into the cash surrender value as you enter into retirement. And so whole life has 3 components to it. It has the premium, the death benefit, and the cash accumulation or the savings component to it. And as you make a premium payment every year, part of it goes into the death benefit and part of it goes into the cash value. And every year, like clockwork, that cash value will get a dividend. And right now, the average dividend for par whole life in Canada is between 6 and 6.25%. And the other interesting fact is that life insurance companies in Canada have been paying dividends on whole life for over 157 years. And so even through World War I, World War II, 9/11, even in 2008, when the markets were melting down, the markets were down 35 to 40%, whole life had an 8% dividend associated with it. So I like to call this the fixed income anchor in your overall investment plan. So view insurance as a bit of an investment product. Now you're in total control of the whole life policy. If you at some point want to tap into all that cash value, you can surrender it, get all your cash back out, but then you lose coverage. And as I said, stay tuned to my next video where you can learn how to tap into that cash value without surrendering the policy. Now, this channel gives me an opportunity to be passionate about financial planning, and I'll only make content that I actually want to watch too. So that's why my promise to you is that I'll do 110% on every effort when I make a video. If you'd like to get either a term life policy or a whole life policy, click on the link below to apply to become my client. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. And just remember, when we develop financial plans for our clients, we design it to make sure that your money outlives you in retirement.